So this last week, what started out as a simple, I'm going to paint some of the walls in the machine room, turned into something a lot more complex. It started growing and growing and growing till finally I said, I can't go any further, but I did get a lot of stuff done. But I can't spend my entire time in the shop doing shop improvements either. So anyway, how it grew was I have the dust collection here and I wanted to move, long term I wanted to move it. I did not want to have to pull all the fixtures off these guys here and some other stuff I had up to route the piping with and repaint later, you know, behind all this stuff when I move it. So I said, okay, I will move the dust collection now. Then the issue was I want to make all these fixtures too long term. I don't want the dust collection to interfere with the fixtures or vice versa. So why don't I do the fixtures too and get all that crud off the router tables and into the fixtures. So let's do a tour of my router stations. I've done that in the past, but it's kind of time for another one. So this fixture holds my router table fences. You can see I have a little bit of T-track right here. It just slides onto there like that. Up here, just push pads, stuff. Here's my Porter cable plunges. Up here on top, this is Pee-wee. Pee-wee's over 100 years old, weighs 43 pounds. Ugh. Got him at a garage sale for $5. It's my router storage. Down there, it's just a mess. More routers. Actually, I did a count today. I thought I had 25. I have 29. I think I may thin the herd here soon. I don't need that many now that I'm not in production anymore. So here I have access to under the router tables. This is how I adjust the height on these guys. Maybe someday I'll get one of those router lifts that I can adjust it from the top. This one though, I'll go into that one in a minute. Down here, I have miscellaneous old bits, fixtures, a lot of containers from bits, router parts. Oh, another router. Make that 30, maybe 29 and a half. It's working, but the it's that cheap Porter cable ones, the later ones they made, and the plastic parts fell off of it. This guy's my PowerLift Pro. MLCS sent that to me a couple years ago. It is really neat. That's 5/1000ths of an inch up. That's 1/1000th of an inch down. And it's fairly accurate. So the old dust collection I had 3 blast gates and a lot of curves and a lot of angles and maneuvers in it, and by the time it got down to the router tables, there was not much suction left. So this time I've cleaned all those out, and there's no blast gate. This guy comes down and goes here, here, or here, and if I want him out of the way, back up there. There's a shot, that clean line. As few bins as I can get, and a straight shot. So much better dust collection. More stuff to be stored. These guys go up there. Earmuffs, dust respirator, And again, I have T-track up here to hold those guys. And this fixture holds the wrenches, stuff for the router bearings, router bit bearings. This guy, my set sign. Okay, over here I have router bit storage, 1/2-inch cutters, more 1/2-inch, some 3/8, 1/4-inch, and miscellaneous router stuff, specialty bits, collets, collars, router base screws, centering devices, all that stuff.